What's up, ATube? It's your girl Alexis, and I'm back with another review. So today we will be reviewing the EAP flat iron. When I tell y'all the truth, we're gonna see how we transform this into something amazing. Okay. All right. First, I use heat protector, and this is L'Oreal Slick It Iron Straight Hairspray. 3-day sleek up to plus 450-degree protection. So it's telling you that you can use it for that. So what I'll do, let's see, I'm gonna do a curl and I'm gonna flat iron it so y'all can see how it is. I'm gonna make sure we're good. All right, so take your, like so, and then spray. Let's see. See, that was 2 passes, bouncy and everything else. So look at the difference. The front I did without heat protector, and the back has heat protector just because, but I'm gonna just spray a little bit of heat protector on there and go through it. One time. And y'all, this is a body wave. Yeah, this is a body wave wig from Love Me, 26 inches. 26 inches of pure goodness. So do y'all see this? Holler. I love this flat iron. That's the point I'm getting to. I love. And in this clip is where I did a couple of bumps with the flat iron. As you can see, I have some body wave curls going on, and the curls came out beautifully with my flat iron. I'm telling you guys, EAP heat is everything. It's amazing. So what y'all seen before was me flat ironing it, and this is me curling it, and I just love this flat iron. Everything you want, done.